Hi everyone, this is Will, CTA Systems, ctasystems.com. Hope you're well. I bought myself a Steam Deck. It's arrived today on the 30th of September 2022 and it is the Q3 version. So just thought I'd do an unboxing video and let you know my thoughts on it. Okay, so hello there. A few months ago, I was offered the Steam Deck to place my order and put a deposit down. I think it's £4. And I'm not a gamer, however, I did like the look of this particular device, the Steam Deck. And I used to be a gamer when I was younger. I had the Speccy, the Spectrum 48K. Some of you may remember them. And then I had the Commodore Amiga. And then I upgraded to PCs over the years and so on like that. However, I use my computers for IT purposes. I am an IT consultant and that's what I do. So I don't really have time for games. However, recently, I've been wanting to get back into it a little bit. You know, just 5 minutes here, 5 minutes there, whichever. And but I don't like to hide away in the office and play a game or something like that. So I'd much prefer, you know, to be able to have something in my hands. So I ordered the Steam Deck, and this is the unboxing video. So the only thing I've done is I've cut through the tape. So basically, you're going to be watching this with me, and I'm kind of excited about it. The Steam Deck is basically a handheld PC, so it's very, very powerful, and yeah, we've got some attention videos there, well, cards I should say, and there's the actual Steam Deck itself. A lot of people go on about the weight. I think it is what it is though. If you've done your research, you know what you're going to get. So that's the actual Steam Deck there, and if we just tear that open a bit, get it into the case. Oops, yep, okay. And I've gone for the 512 version, so apparently one of the differences is you get a premium case and it has a colourful dot instead of a white one. No idea what the purpose is with that. And you also get a pouch. I'm not 100% sure what that's for, because obviously the Steam Deck's not going to fit in that, but I think it's more for the charger or the cables or something like that. Let me know in the comments by all means. Now it's got a security seal on it, so I'll have to get my knife on that in a second. If it'll let me cut it, that is. There we go. Right here. So, look at that, I've got my greasy fingers all over it already. Okay, so, here we go. Let's have a look at this. I'm just going to move this box out of the way for a minute. Okay, wow, look at that. That is beautiful. Wow. Now, apparently, basically, the 512 version comes with a much more premium case. It's a nicer feel. Apparently, the low-end ones, the case is just a little bit cheaper built and things like that. That is amazing. And you know what? It isn't that heavy at all. That's amazing. I love it. And you get a nice microfiber cloth there, of course. You know, that's a premium feature, apparently. And like I said, there's the case itself there. That's a pretty good case, nice and solid. Wow. See, I'm just excited about this. Obviously, I've not even opened this. Well, you've just seen me open it, of course I have. So, that's that there. In the box, we've also got what I assume to be the charger. There are a few things I've ordered for this. I've ordered the D brand skin, so I've ordered one of them so I can keep it nice and protected. Yeah, you got your USB-C charger there. I've also got a dock, so I can basically stand it up, connect it to screens and other items and so on like that. So let's see how we power this thing on then. Oh, big button there, that might do it. So it's got any power, I don't know. It possibly hasn't. It's telling me power on there, so if I hold that down. No, dead battery. So we'll give it a charge and we'll come back to it shortly.
A few moments later.
Okay, so we've got it powered up. I'm just going to go through the setup now. Like I said, it's the first time I've ever used it, so I'm going to have to work it out as I talk to you guys about it. Okay, so we've got what language do I want to choose? Well, funnily enough, I speak English, so I'm going to choose that one. And of course, let's just go to where I am, which is the United Kingdom. Greenwich Mean Time, there we go. Right, and I'm going to connect it to my Wi-Fi. Okay, it had to install a few extra bits like Origin, and they had to sign into Electronic Arts Origin, but so far, I mean, there's something else that... so this is Need for Speed Heat, so press A to continue, and let's do that, accept, what is it that, oh yeah. So you're seeing this for the first time along with me. The graphics, the clarity is crystal clear. It really, really is. Okay, we'll leave it on medium. I've never played it before, like, but we'll see what happens. It's got to connect to EA. And here we go. Okay. Oh, that'll do. I've got a couple of them in the garage. Yeah, lovely. Yeah. Okay.
Press the Y button for accessibility.
We'll just go on solo for now, because, like I said, I've never played it before, so... The feel of this thing is fantastic. It really, really is. And it's quite easy to actually have it on the desk like that, comfortably, and you can reach absolutely every single button, even the ones on the rear.
The Speed Hunters Showdown is back, as Palm City plays host once again to the state's foremost racing exhibition. Each day, thousands of eager fans will be hoping to catch a glimpse of the very best high-performance cars in action. But when the sun goes down, you can quickly find yourself in a far more
I'm assuming there's a way of me
territory.
skipping this, but
Welcome to the world of street
like I say, I've
racing.
never played it before,
An
so...
underground scene inhabited by daredevils and speed freaks.
Oh yeah, press A. Did try that though.
Talk to me, Joe. How we doing?
The graphics is something else, and the sound is very spatial. So here we go.
What's the tea, Richie?
There's some real speed in this race, Anna.
We knew they were gonna bring it. This is the lead we're going for here. Come on, guys. This is ours.
Everything's so good. The responsiveness of it. Oh, hang on, didn't mean to do that. Let's just get back on the road somehow. Find that tree.
Okay,
There we go.
eyes up. We're heading downtown. Expect trouble.
Yeah, so you got the pan view. I shouldn't have done that. It is so good. Wow. I'm looking forward to trying a few other games. Oh, there's the old belt. Just
I think I know this cop.
ignore the language. I apologise. I'll bleep that out.
I'm serious. He's bad news. We scored big on this.
Yeah, get back on the road.
Get back in the race.
I've missed a checkpoint. Never mind. Wow. I'm not very good at this, am I? Comment down below and just say no, you're not. I know I've missed a checkpoint, but I'm just testing it for now. Where's the road? I'm assuming there's some buttons I can press. Oh, there we go. We can change the view. Fantastic. It's amazingly responsive. It really, really is. I'll just have a quick press, see what we've got on these buttons here. So that is Need for Speed Heat. We'll try some others. Now, this I saw the other day on another YouTube video, and it reminds me when I was a kid and used to play Outrun. So I'm going to play this again. We can close that. No, we'll just do that anyway. So this is now running 2 games, I'm guessing, one in the background. So got to work out how to stop that from happening. Oh, 80s music pumping out there. Okay. I'm just pressing A. Yeah, that'll do.
The Speed Hunters Showdown is back as Palm City plays host once again.
Why is there always some televised thing going on to make these games more interesting?
Thousands of eager fans will be hoping to catch a glimpse of the very best
Wow, this is.
in action.
I used to play Outrun when I was a kid, and also when I was younger, I used to play Checkered Flag. And for those who remember it, Chase HQ. Such a good game. This is so mad to play something like this. Yeah, just give us smack there. Keep missing all the bits. You can tell I need practice. You can tell I'm not a gamer. But I just thought I'd show the video anyhow, so you can see what it's like unboxing it and getting it set up initially. The games take a little bit of time to download, of course that depends on your internet speed. Wow, this is so cool. Anyhow guys, I just thought I'd give you a quick taste of the Steam Deck. I'll probably add a couple more bits to this video, and I will catch you all later. Woo! I got nitro. Yes! Oh yeah, don't do that. Don't do that.
Come on, guys. This is ours.
Wow. It's amazing how the car doesn't get damaged, isn't it? There we go. See you later.